Hey everyone, let us do a question set on cube roots in this video. So the first question, what is the cube root of 0.000216? Well, we have to find out the cube root of 0.000216. And 0.000216 can be written as, we have the cube root there, 216 divided by, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits after the decimal point, so divided by 1 followed by 6 zeros. So this is equal to cube root of 216 divided by cube root of, this is 10 raised to power 6. 1 followed by 6 zeros is 10 raised to power 6. And this is equal to cube root of 216 is 6. If you don't know, then you can calculate the cube root of 216 by representing 216 as a product of its prime factors and taking the root of both the sides of equal to. So this is 6 divided by cube root of 10 raised to power 6 can be written as 10 raised to power 6 raised to 1 by 3. And by the laws of indices, this is 10 raised to power 6 by 3. And that is equals to 6 divided by 10 raised to power 2. And which is equal to 6 divided by 100, which is 6 divided by 100 is 0.06. So the answer is 0.06. Let us move on to the second question. Cube root of 4 plus 331 by 125. Well, let us simplify what is inside the cube root. So we have this as equal to, so this can be written as 125 times 4, which is 1000, plus 331 divided by 125. And 1000 plus 331 is equal to 1331 divided by 125 and the cube root of the whole. This is equal to cube root of 1331 divided by cube root of 125. So let us find the prime factors of 1331. So 1331 cannot be divided by 2, it can't be divided by 3, 5, neither 7. Let us see if it can be divided by 11. Well, if you divide 1331 by 11, you get 121, and 121 is the square of 11. So 1331 is the square of 11. So cube root of 1331 you get 11, and cube root of 125 you get 5. So this is 11 by 5, but you don't see any option here as 11 by 5. So you must divide 11 by 5 to represent it as a mixed fraction. So let us divide 11 by 5. So 5 2s are 10, the remainder is 1. So you can represent it as 2 1 by 5. So the option is option A. Question number 3. This may seem a bit trickier. You have the cube root of the square root of 0.000064. So let us simplify the insides of the cube root as well as the under root. So this is equal to, you have the cube root on the outside and the under root on the inside. So 0.000064 can be written as 64 divided by, let's count the number of digits after decimal point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 10 raised to power 6. So this is equal to cube root of under root 64 upon under root 10 raised to power 6. Then it is equal to, under root of 64 is 8. 8 8s are 64. So there's the cube root right there. 64's under root is 8 by root 10 raised to power 6 is equal to 10 raised to power 3, which is equal to, now this can be simplified, cube root of 8 upon cube root of 10 raised to power 3. So this is equal to, cube root of 8 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Therefore cube root of 8 is 2. Cube root of 1000, that is 10 raised to power 3, is equal to 10, which is equal to 0.2. So we have our answer, 0.2. The final question now. The volume of a cubic tank is 216 cubic meters. How deep is the tank? Well, you know how a cube looks like. So this is a cube, and when I say a cube, it means that it has the same length on all the sides. Let the length be x of that cube. Now what has been given is the volume of the cube. So volume of a cube is equal to its sides cube, which is given to be 216 cubic meters. So we have to find the value of x, because x is the length, it is the breadth, and it is the depth also. So x cube is 216, so x is equal to cube root of 216, and the cube root of 216 is 6. If you don't know, you can find it out by prime factorizing 216 and then taking the cube root on both the sides. But cube root of 216 is 6, so our answer is 6 meters.